All right, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna make some Italian bread. So I have these special sliced bread. I sliced it myself. I cut it myself. And now I'm gonna put it in. We set the temperature to 80 degrees hot, and then one by one, being careful not to burn yourself. We place one very carefully. Then take another one and we place it very carefully too. And now we take the third one. Be careful. This takes skills. It's not that easy.
It doesn't take
So
skills, okay? It
we
doesn't
have to
take
watch it.
skills.
So we have to watch.
Yeah, it doesn't take
and
skills, okay?
Make sure that we're doing it right. Okay. Let me move this here because before I did a secret recipe
He's a noob.
in this pan.
He's a noob at cooking, okay?
We're seeing that the bread is changing to brown, which is a good sign.
It's rotten
So
now.
we can start to flip them over. Be careful not to touch the thing and get caught. Get burned, I mean, okay?
It doesn't burn you.
We wait a little bit. I like to say a story.
Puppy, now we have to stop the story because we want to make it like chapters. Or
Ooh, so these breads look like they're done.
what?
They're done. I think they're done. So we slowly turn off the fire.
We
Once
put it
turn
on
off,
dirt for it to be
remember,
bad.
the pan is still hot. Pan is still hot.
We cut the
So we
part where
still
we
use
put
that heat
light dirt, okay?
To work our bread in. Work it.
We put
Okay, once
we
do
cut
that,
we cut it where we put like light dirt.
Okay, now we're ready to take out, and we take the 4 pieces of bread. Be careful not to burn yourself. And we take it. Now we take it. Come this way. Follow me. Now we've prepared a special plate just for the bread.
Wait, Papa, I need to go. I need to do something. I need to get my shankla.
Pause it. Oh, you're gonna leave it running?
Yeah.
All right. Now we use a special tool to cut the butter. Cut just about a little smidgen, and then like